So by default, what you see is standard. So when we create a dimension using the standard dimension style, this is what happens. You can barely see the dimension text. Now that we know the ideal height for the dimension, we can now create a new dimension style. So I will type DimStyle for dimension style. And this pop-out window will come and be able to be used. Okay. So now from the standard, we will create a new dimension style. We'll create new and make sure that it starts with the standard and change it. Let's say make it icon new DS for DimStyle. I'll click continue. So what we're changing first is the text height. So let's say this will be a little bit bigger. I will make it 150 for my text height. And I'll go to the symbols and arrows. I'll change the arrow size to 75. And I will change also the type of arrow. I will use this right angle. In the lines, I will change the color. The color of the line will be, let's say, cyan. And then the extension line, I will make it magenta. Okay. And click OK. Now I can also change the text color. If I want to make it, let's say, yellow, can be yellow. And then in the primary units, I'll just make the precision 0. And that is all. Click OK. I will have now the icon new dimension style. I will set it as current and click close. Now, if I make a new dimension, this will be the new icon new dimension style. From here to there, you will have that dimension. I can also use my match properties, MA. Select this and then click the other one. It will become the same style.